Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Techies Guru. Today we're going to be learning how you can redeem your 1 month free Nitro edition. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post something new. Without further ado, let's get started. Open your Discord app and then go to your Nitro section. Over here you can see that you have the option of try 1 month free Nitro. If you've not tried the Nitro edition before, then Discord is providing you with a 1 month free Nitro trial. You simply tap on it, then go ahead and select the monthly section and click on next, and then select a payment method. After that, you simply enter your card number, expiration date, security code and name on the card. After that, you click on next. All your credit card information will be reviewed and then you will be successfully part of the Nitro edition in Discord. After you've subscribed to the Nitro edition of Discord, you can simply cancel it by going to the settings and then going to subscriptions. You'll get the option of cancel subscription under this window, and on billing you can simply delete your billing information. After that, you can cancel your Nitro subscription after a month of free trial, and that is how you can redeem your free trial of Nitro edition on Discord. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.